Hey guys, today we are going to learn English using this object. Uh, this is a water can. As you can see, it is made of plastic. It is used to store drinking water. Right now it's empty. There is no water inside. Um, this is dent. This is brand label, and these are scratches. Now we are going to fill the can with water. I am opening the tap. I just opened the tap. Water is flowing into the can. The can is full now. The water is overflowing. I am closing the tap. I just close the tap. However, the water is dripping from the tap because the valve inside has become old. Now we are going to transfer the water into the bucket. I am pouring the water into the bucket. I have poured the water into the bucket. The can is completely empty. There is little water inside, so we can say the can is almost empty. Now it is half full. Now it is almost full. Now it is completely full. Thank you for watching.